What if a single innovation halfway across the globe completely rocked the tech industry and even Wall Street? It's happening right now, and the game changer is DeepSeek.
And it is shaking this entire industry.
A Chinese startup that few people had ever heard of until the past few days.
Shaking US and world tech companies.
Be a wake-up call.
Huge shakeup in the future of technology.
DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company.
This AI powerhouse is rewriting the rules, challenging the biggest names, and making us all rethink who holds the power in this digital age. But what makes DeepSeek so special? What is the reason behind its success and the dark side that nobody knows? So if you want to know all these things, then watch this video till the end. At the core of its success is something called mixture of experts, MOE. Think of it as like a brain that doesn't light up every neuron for every task. DeepSeek works the same way. And instead of firing up its entire engine for every task, it just activates the specific parts which are in need. The result, it's faster, cheaper, and the more efficient than the traditional AI models that we are used to. And get this, DeepSeek isn't just efficient, it's super cost effective. While training models like ChatGPT or even Gemini can cost us as much as running a small city for months, DeepSeek whole budget was just $5.6 million. To put that in a perspective, other AI models like ChatGPT cost hundreds of millions of dollars. But despite the small price tag, DeepSeek is giving tough competition to these giants. But there's more. DeepSeek was trained on mind-boggling 14.8 trillion tokens, basically a huge database of high-quality text, and it uses something called reinforcement learning. It means it gets better on its own. It even uses a technique called model distillation to refine itself and become more efficient without losing its edge. So it's not just powerful, it's smart about how it learns and improves. Now let's talk about performance. DeepSeek is crushing benchmarks, especially in math, coding, and reasoning. In fact, it's often outshining its open source competitors and even giving closed source models like ChatGPT for a run for their money. And when it comes to language, DeepSeek is especially strong in Chinese factual knowledge, even outperforming ChatGPT in that area, while still holding its own in English. What's also impressive is how accessible it is. While other AI models are locked away behind corporate walls, DeepSeek is open source. That means anyone, researchers, developers, and hobbyists can get their hands on this and build something new. But there's flip side to this openness. What if someone used this for wrong reasons? Could it be weaponized for disinformation or worse? That is a real concern. But DeepSeek's rise hasn't been all smooth sailing. When its R1 model was launched, it shook the global economy. Tech stocks dropped and billions of dollars in market value vanished. It wasn't just about money, it was about what DeepSeek represented. For the first time in history, a non-Western AI was competing with the best of best, forcing everyone to rethink the global balance of power in this AI race. But it doesn't mean DeepSeek is going to win this race because of data privacy issue. DeepSeek servers are based in China, which has sparked fears about surveillance and government access to user data. Some critics even think it could be a disguised tool for hidden agendas like government surveillance and influence. On top of that, there are allegations that they use restricted hardwares like Nvidia's H100 chips. If that is true, then it could create huge tensions between US and China's ongoing rivalry. Oh, and let's not forget about censorship. DeepSeek has been criticized for avoiding sensitive topics like Tiananmen Square and Taiwan. Its answers are often carefully curated, likely to align with the Chinese government regulations. While this might not be surprising given its origins, it raises important questions about transparency and the role of AI in shaping the flow of information. So how does DeepSeek stack up against its competitors? You have got models like GPT-4, Llama, and Gemini, which have set the bar so high. ChatGPT is known for its language efficiency. Gemini integrates the Google search with the AI, and Meta's Llama is all about efficiency. But here's the kicker. DeepSeek can deliver comparable, even sometimes better performance at a fraction of the cost. While GPT-4 costs hundreds of millions of dollars, DeepSeek lean budget proves that you don't need fortune to innovate.